Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
You've probably heard this advice 1,000 times, just go for a walk every day. And yes, walking is wonderful. It's simple, refreshing, and keeps you moving. But what if I told you there's something even better, something that strengthens your legs, heart, balance, and even your brain? A movement so simple that you can do it right in your living room. No gym, no expensive equipment, no special shoes. It's called marching. And once you try it, you'll wonder why nobody ever told you about it before. But here's the truth. If you skip this video, or only watch part of it, you might miss out on the full benefits, or worse, make mistakes that could hurt your joints or balance. Because when it comes to exercise, especially for older adults, half knowledge can be dangerous. So stay with me till the end, and follow every step carefully. Marching may look simple, but the results are anything but. It strengthens your hips and thighs in ways walking never could. It improves your balance, coordination, and focus, something even treadmills fail to do. And best of all, it's gentle on your joints. So, if walking leaves you feeling tired, unsteady, or your knees ache after a few blocks, this one simple exercise could be your secret weapon to feeling young again. According to the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity, seniors who practiced high knee marching in place 3 times a week showed noticeable improvement in leg strength, balance, and walking stability, all in just 8 weeks. Another study from the Geriatric Physical Therapy Journal compared walking with stationary marching. Both improved heart health, but marching showed greater activation in hip flexors and thigh muscles, the key areas that prevent falls. Even NASA uses marching drills to help astronauts regain leg strength and coordination after returning from space. That's how powerful this movement really is. So yes, marching isn't just some easy home exercise, it's a scientifically proven longevity booster. Let me share a story with you. James, a 74-year-old retired teacher from Ohio, walked every morning for years. But one winter day, he slipped on ice, injured his knee, and suddenly lost all confidence in walking outdoors. "I just didn't feel steady anymore," he said. He stopped walking, first for a few weeks, then for months. His legs grew weaker. Even standing up from his recliner became difficult. His daughter grew concerned and spoke to a local physical therapist. The therapist said something surprising: "Have your dad try marching at home. It's safer, but just as powerful, maybe even better than walking." At first, James laughed. "You mean like a soldier, marching in place?" But he gave it a try. Just 30 seconds at a time, slowly lifting one knee, then the other. Within 2 weeks, he noticed something incredible. He could stand longer without holding on to furniture. His legs started to feel alive again. After a month, he marched for 5 minutes while watching TV. By 3 months, his balance had improved so much that he could walk to the park again without fear. He said, "I thought walking was the only way to stay fit, but marching gave me back my legs and my confidence." Now, before we start learning the exercise, I'd love to know, which country are you watching this video from, and how old are you? Drop your answer in the comments below. I absolutely love seeing where our amazing community of strong, motivated seniors comes from. Alright, let's get started. How to do the marching exercise step by step. Step 1. Find a safe spot. Stand behind a sturdy chair or near a wall for balance. Make sure there's enough space around you to move freely. Step 2. Posture check. Stand tall. Roll your shoulders back slightly. Look straight ahead and gently tighten your tummy, like you're zipping up your core. Step 3. Start slowly. Lift your right knee up toward your waist, or as high as feels comfortable. Lower it back down gently. Now lift your left knee. That's one march. Step 4. Find your rhythm. Start slow, like a calm, steady beat. Inhale as you lift your leg, exhale as you bring it down. Let your arms move naturally by your sides, or hold the chair for support if needed. Step 5. Duration and progress. Beginners. Start with 30 seconds of marching, rest, and repeat twice. Intermediate. Do 3 sets of 1 minute each, resting 30 seconds in between. Advanced. March continuously for 5 minutes. Take a break, then repeat up to 3 times a day. You can do this while watching TV, listening to music, or even during commercial breaks. It fits perfectly into your daily routine. Bonus. Seated marching. If standing is difficult, don't worry. Sit upright in a sturdy chair. March by lifting your knees one at a time. Keep your back straight, avoid leaning backward. This version still works your hips, thighs, and core, and is especially helpful if you struggle with balance. Start with 5 minutes daily, divided into short sessions. Gradually build up to 15 to 20 minutes total per day, 5 days a week for best results. To make it more challenging, lift your knees higher. March a little faster. Add gentle arm movements. Remember, Form first, speed later. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more seniors discover this simple, life-changing exercise. Share it with a friend or loved one who could use a little strength, balance, and hope. And don't forget to subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips, easy exercises, and uplifting stories. Let's keep marching together, because your best years aren't behind you. They're right here, right now, one step at a time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.